So here's the Verde Hunter original at the Fanimation Museum. You can go turn this one on low. This fan is a pretty slow startup to it. I'm not too sure if, seems to go very slow on low speed. I'm not too sure the pull chain sequence was, they had the pull chain settings on the right settings when they installed it on the remote. So, I don't know. But that's pretty much how slow it goes right here. Let's go on to medium speed. Alright, there's that. Let's go on to high speed. Alright, high speed is very powerful. It's a really nice fan. You can turn it off now. Alright. Thanks for watching this video and bye.